Hello all, welcome to Auto Insider. Jeep India has introduced two special editions of the three-row Meridian SUV, which comes in two models, Meridian X and Meridian Upland. Both these special editions start at rupees 33.41 lakhs and go up to rupees 38.47 lakhs ex-showroom, depending on accessory packs you select. Both SUVs get accessory packs, unique looks, and there are no mechanical changes. And here the limited plus comes with Meridian X kit, and the limited O comes with a Meridian Upland kit installed. Would you like to be a part of a launch event of Meridian, Jeep Meridian? Then you are invited to the event hosted by Mody Jeep on 15th April, which is tomorrow, this Saturday, which is located at Begumpet, Hyderabad. Join us and we would be happy to see you. Now let's jump back into the details. What's new? The Jeep Meridian Limited Plus comes with X kit, a unique exterior looks with more body colored cladding surround, alloy wheels with gray inserts, and a contrasting gray roof on ORVM and spoiler as well. A stylish side molding for extra bit of protection, premium side steps for easy ingress and egress. Coming on the inside, Meridian Upland gets updated ambient lighting shades and puddle lamps, footwell lighting, Jeep well Jeep puddle lamps, and we get carpet matting in this. Customers can choose between two paint options, Silvery Moon or Galaxy Blue, adding it to the unique aesthetic of these models. And coming to the Meridian Limited O, which comes with Upland kit, gets eye-catching Upland hood decal, practical splash guards, a convenient roof carrier, and easy to clean special cabin and cargo mats for hassle-free maintenance. In addition to that, a kit features a boot organizer and a tire inflator for added convenience on the go. For a touch of luxury, the premium side steps and sunshades provide both functionality and aesthetics. Plus, the Upland package, which includes a rear seat infotainment only for the Upland package. And coming to the powertrain, engine and gearbox, both SUVs come with the same 2-liter turbo multi-jet diesel engine with 168 horsepower and mated with a 6-speed manual or 9-speed automatic. There are no other mechanical changes on the Jeep Meridian X or on the Meridian Upland. That's it for today. Thank you for watching till then. Comment down below for any questions or suggestions for future videos.